Most habit trackers fail for one simple reason. They are invisible. They hide inside an app on your phone or inside a journal that sits closed on your shelf. Out of sight, out of mind. And I've pretty much tried them all. But I realized that for me, nothing beats the feeling of physically ticking off a habit. I needed a system that wasn't just digital noise. I needed something permanent, something that lives on my wall, stares me in the face and gently reminds me of the person I promised to be. So I decided to build it myself. I wanted to design a 3D printed habit tracker that solves the biggest problem of digital tools: visibility and physical feedback. But I had strict criteria. 1. It has to track not just days, but weeks, months, and the whole year at a glance. 2. It needs to be small enough to fit my space. And 3. It has to look like a piece of interior design, not a cheap plastic toy. Because if it's ugly, I won't hang it up.
And ask me your questions. Now let's go back to the start. Running circles, tails, heads on the sides apart. Nobody said.
Designing this was a challenge. I spent a lot of time figuring out the mechanics because the physical interaction needs to be satisfying. It needs to feel good to use, so that your brain actually craves the little dopamine hit of marking a task as done.
Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be this hard. Oh, take me back to the start.
This is version 1. It's a prototype to answer a simple question. Will a wall-mounted physical tracker actually help me build better habits? And this is the result. It's always at the same location, always visible, a silent accountability partner pretty much, and I have a lot of ideas for version 2, but for now this prototype is active and working. Thanks for watching, guys.